how to open practice area in EA FC 25. So from the main page here in EA FC 25, come down to learn to play. Select this, then come down to the bottom and select practice area. And you'll be added into the practice area. Now you can go to the left hand side here and select another player and bring them onto the pitch. You can also select an opponent and bring them onto the pitch. They will be defending. You then want to press to start and then you'll be playing in the practice area. Now if you press the options key, you'll have the options to choose free kicks. So then you can practice your free kicks. If you move into the penalty area when you've selected free kicks, you'll be able to practice your penalties. You can come down, change the camera, practice difficulty. You can also select side, so if you're in a penalty, you can play as the goalkeeper. So hopefully that helps you out to access the practice area and gives you insight on how to use it.